it's Yvette. So today I have a DT project for my besties, and this cutie pie here is called Carrot Cruiser by 45. I will put a link below so that you can check out her digital image and color her up like I did. I used my Copic markers to color her up, and then for the paper I used this 6x6 paper pad Sweet Girl. I thought it was super cute. And then I also added these enamel dots that I picked up at Hobby Lobby. And let's see, I cut her up and matted her with this Sizzix die that I picked up last year at the convention. I was on my way out the door and I saw that it was for $4.99. I guess they were putting it on clearance or something, and I said to my sister, I said, someday I am going to need that. And of course the convention is in June and we're in March, so almost a year later I finally get to use it. But see, Lydia, I told you I needed it one day, and I did. Anyway, I'm just being silly now. So let me show you what else. So this little banner here is also from the same paper, and then on the inside I used paper from the same paper pad. I always like to use the same paper pad when I create cards. Once in a blue moon I'll mix them up, but most of the time I like to stick to the same pad. And then in the back I had this cute little stamp that I also picked up at the convention last year, and it says, when you really care, you make it yourself. So I thought it was really cute. Usually I use my handmade by, and it has a little hand, which you've all seen. This one that my daughter bought me one time. It's my favorite and I use it on everything, but